So over here, you can see that I have a Google Chat opened up. And if you want to attach in files, then you can use something called the Add Drive File option inside of Google Chat. So to do that, you should click on the plus button over here. And once you do that, here you can see that you can add in Drive File over here. So if I were to go around and click on Drive File, then you can see that it accesses my Google Drive, and you can select out the recent file that you have right here. So you can simply go around right here, double click on it, and you can see that along with the preview, you can simply go around and send out the file right here. Besides that, you can click on the Drive File option right here, and you can also upload out files from your computer. So let's say, for example, in Upload, if you were to click on Browse right here, select out any file, it gets uploaded onto your Google Drive, and then it gets attached, as you can see. And over here, once you press enter, you have the option for sharing this out as well. Whether other user will have viewing option only or will have editing privileges for that particular file, you can choose everything out right here, as you can see. You can go around over here on the Drive File, and over here you can access your drive itself without just viewing the recent option right here. You can see the files that is shared with you. You can see files that has been starred, or also look at your computer, as you can see right here, and attach the file out accordingly right here. And that is how you can select out an item and use the Add Drive File option inside of Google Chat. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.